Okay, question 3 says a basic cellular package costs $30 for 60 minutes of calling with an additional charge of 50 cents per minute beyond that time. And then the cost function C of x for using x minutes would be if you use 60 minutes or less, which means x would be less than or equal to 60, then C of x is equal to the $30 base charge. If you use more than 60 minutes, x minus 60 minutes more than the plan came with. So if you use more than 60 minutes, let's say you use 70 minutes, well, that means you used 10 extra minutes. And I got the 10 from taking 70 minus 60. And that's what they've got here, this x minus 60. Whoops, meant to use a highlighter. This x minus 60. So you would take whatever x is, subtract 60 from it, and then multiply that times 0.50, because that is the charge for each of those additional minutes. So your total bill would be C of x equals the $30 base charge plus 50 cents times each additional minute. Now the question is, if you want to keep your bill at $50 or lower for the month, what is the maximum number of calling minutes you can use? So you want to keep the bill, which is C of x, you want C of x to be $50 or lower. That means C of x should be less than or equal to 50. And C of x is actually, C of x is right here, and it is equal to this mess right there. So I'm going to put that mess where C of x is. I'm going to put 30 plus 0.50 times x minus 60, didn't line that up very well, did I? Is less than or equal to 50. And now all I have to do is use my awesome equation solving skills and solve for x. So first thing I'm going to have to do is use the distributive property and take this 0.50 and distribute it to the x. That's going to give me a plus 0.50x. And then I'll take it again and distribute it to the minus 60. 0.50 is half of something, so half of 60 is 30. Well, isn't that nice? Because now that 30 and that minus 30 cancel each other out. And all I'm left with is the 0.50x, which will be less than or equal to 50. And now just divide both sides by 0.5 or 0.50, whichever way, so that that cancels out. Come with me, I'm running out of room. So I get x is less than or equal to 100. Move the decimal one place, move the decimal one place, and yeah, 100. X should be the maximum calling minutes you can use is 100 minutes. You can't go over any more than that. So I'm just going to jump back to Mobius here, plug in my answer, 100 minutes. Go over here where it says, how did I do? I should get green here. Yay! I got green. And then, of course, you know, just to confirm, if you get it wrong, you should see the explanation of what you should have done. So if you don't get it right, you can try it again. I don't think you can see it here, but down at the bottom, I have to move this thing out of the way, and it's not letting me move it. Anyway, down at the bottom, you can try it again if you didn't get it right the first time. Or you can just come up here and, you know, type in your answer again. See, I clicked on it. The first answer didn't work, so you can fix it, I think. I can't remember. It's not letting me do that. But anyway, 100. That's the answer. Hope that helps.